Now, if you have a fraction problem and the denominators aren't easily, or the least common multiple isn't easily seen, like in the last problem, if you have a number like 7 and 10, you would basically multiply these two together because it'll still give you the least common multiple between the two. So you set it up the same way as the last time. You have your multiplication, dot, fraction line, equal sign, fraction line. Do the same thing on the top and bottom. Multiplication dot, fraction line, equal sign, fraction line. That's just how we set up our problems to find the LCM, or the least common multiple. So like I said, you would multiply these two denominators together, and that would give you 70. Now you look again and see what times this number would give you that number. So what times 7 would give you 70, and that would be 10. Same thing up here. What times 10 would give you 70? That would be 7. And then you multiply straight across. So 6 times 7 is 42. And we normally would add our denominators all the way across when we start. Same thing here. Go straight across. 3 times 10 equals 30. So now you have 42 over 70 minus 30 over 70. Now that they have the same denominator, you can go ahead and subtract. So this is your new subtraction problem. So you subtract numerator, numerator, and your denominator stays the same. So 42 minus 30 will give you 12. And your denominator, of course, is 70. And then you can go in and simplify that down to the simplest form if that is what your instructions are telling you to do. If not, leave it as is, but we can go ahead and simplify this down as well. So to simplify, you would look and see what number can go into both of those, the highest number that can go into both of these. And it looks like 2 is the number that can go into both of these. So 12 divided by 2 would be 6. And then 70 divided by 2 would be 35. And that is simplified down to the simplest form. So that's how you do that problem straight across. And you'll get 6 over 35.